Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To reorganize the text of a document in Outline View in Word, select the text or click into the line to move within your outline. Then in the Outline Tools button group on the Outline and Contextual tab in the ribbon, click the Move Up or Move Down upwards and downwards pointing arrow buttons to move the selected text up and down your outline list. Each click moves the text up or down one line. Keep clicking the buttons until the text is in the new location you want it. Note that moving the text will not change the content of the text in any way. So for example, if you had text that said Chapter 5 and you then move it below Chapter 7, it will still read Chapter 5. You would need to manually change the text after you move it if desired.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.